Today, we're going to talk about understanding the impact of weather and climate on your garden. Weather and climate can have a big impact on your garden. Temperature, rainfall, and sunlight all play a role in determining what plants will thrive in your area. Temperature is an important factor to consider when selecting plants. Some plants are more tolerant of heat and cold than others. By checking the temperature and humidity in your area, you can select plants that will thrive in your specific climate. Rainfall is another important factor to consider. Some plants require more water than others, and it's important to select plants that are well suited to the amount of rainfall in your area. Sunlight is also an important factor. Some plants require full sun, while others prefer shade. By understanding the hours of sunlight received by different parts of your garden, you can select plants that will thrive in your specific climate. By understanding the impact of weather and climate on your garden, you can make adjustments to your gardening techniques and select plants that will thrive in your specific climate. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!